Happy?
Alright, so come on here. Stumble around like a drunk. Anyway, they had the money, but there was no doors in a 2-county, 3-city area that had a 30-inch door. So he said, hey man, can you use this double door that I found? Because we were all looking at returns and things like that. Otherwise we got a special order. So he found this one, which is a beautiful door, but what we need is actually here. What we have over there is 32 1/4 on the brick, and this is smaller, so we can fit that in. Only thing is now is I have to take the screws out of here and find the screws that hold this other door in place. Then cut. I've got to cut through here and cut through that aluminum butt so I can put that door over there. So we've got screws right here that we got to take out, and we'll try to get that door out of the way so I can cut. All right.